Hello, today I would like to introduce the difference between our JX45 and the JX4507 backhoe loader. You can see from the appearance, the cabin is very different. This one is equipped with the ropes and fops cabin, and this is the normal one. And we can go to the cabin inside to see the difference. Okay, so this is the normal cabin of the JX45. You can see this is only one display of this backhoe loader, and the control, the loading part control, and the back is the digging part control. Let's see the JX4507. You can feel this cabin is very, luxury and will be more bigger than JX45. And there's also the certification of the ropes and fops cabin. And this is the front display, and this is the side display. Yeah, the joystick is different. The control of the loading part, and you can see the difference of the digging part. And also there will be another difference between the digging arm. We can go the back side to see the difference. So you can compare these two digging arm. The JX4507, the digging arm will be more thick and stronger.